Every time they try to hold I down, I still come back stronger. Yo, this is Ja Eisen right now. I'm vibing up the place with Brite Lite Promotions. Easy man like Madden, C-Rock. Yo, people, make sure you stay tuned right here.
All right, Brite Lite Promotions. You're here with Barrier Free. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, this is Barrier Free of Japan, the maddest Japanese.
Okay. This is the first time we getting to sit down with Barrier Free on camera. So for the fans of Barrier Free out there and the fans who are being introduced to Barrier Free right now.
Okay.
Tell us a little bit of history on the sound, when Barrier Free started, and who are the current members of the sound.
Okay. This is Barrier Free. I'm doctor from Barrier Free, and I have the other member who is KSK. He's a selector, and I'm MC. We've been doing reggae business for 14 years now. I built our sound in 2001, and yeah, I'm doing a lot of clashes in Japan and all over the world, and I play also juggling, dance, anything we can do it, but especially we love song clash.
Okay. I remember being introduced to Barrier Free through the Fully Loaded series in Jamaica.
Right.
How did that come about, you bypassing New York? Because usually a sound would blow up in New York, they would come to New York, get well known in New York, and then move on to Jamaica. Mm-hmm. You went from Japan straight to Jamaica. Right. How did that happen?
It happened in the studio. You know Solid Agency?
Yeah, Bounty Killer.
Yeah, Bounty Killer. You know Schallenberg?
Yeah.
When I don't remember exactly, but it was a long time ago, when I was a studio in Solid Agency, and when I voiced the Bounty Killer, Schallenberg came to the studio, and she invited me to play Fully Loaded. Yeah, that's the first time.
Okay, so you playing on Fully Loaded basically came through your relationship voicing with Bounty Killer.
Right.
Okay, so Barrier Free has a ongoing good relationship with Bounty Killer, we could say.
I hope so.
Okay.
Ask Bounty.
Okay. Now, as far as the Japanese scene, the sound systems, we have Yard Beat, we have Mighty Crown. I won't really mention Mighty Crown because they don't really clash. Mm-hmm. So in the Japanese scene, Barrier Free, Yard Beat, what other sounds in Japan right now is making noise in the Japanese scene?
And you mean only in Japan or all over the world?
No, in Japan.
In Japan,
yeah.
Right? And now in song clash scene, actually there are not a lot of song clash in Japan right now. But I want to say, of course, Barrier Free and Yabi and Burn Down.
Okay.
King Lifestyle, Captain C. Yeah, these sound that people think good song clash sound in Japan, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, Barrier Free is more known internationally than the other sounds that you mentioned, of course, because you're very active on the scene.
Right.
Just going down the list of the places that you've clashed before, I know you've clashed in Canada with Young Hawk and Innocent. Mm-hmm. You won that dance.
Right.
Okay. You've clashed again earlier this year in Virginia with Young Hawk, I believe.
Right.
Okay. You also won that dance.
Right.
So that's 2 wins against one of the top sounds in the business, Young Hawk.
Right.
Okay. Apart from Jamaica, is there any other Caribbean countries you've been to?
I've been to Antigua 2 times.
And this is Clash?
Clash, and won twice.
Okay, both times in Antigua
Both
you won.
time. And I defeated Tech 9, Poison Dart, and Blank Faucet.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now you have a clash coming up also later on this month in Connecticut.
Right.
But you've clashed in Connecticut before as well?
Right.
Okay. That was against Black Roots, I believe.
Black
Okay.
Roots.
You won that dance?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so the resume is looking kind of crazy. It's looking good. Barrier Free, especially in the one-on-one clashes, you have a lot of wins under your belt.
Actually, I've never lost one-on-one clash.
Whoa. Okay, so this Friday we have Cosmic Movement's
Right.
first time clashing one-on-one
Right.
against Barrier Free, who's never lost a one-on-one clash. Okay, with that being said, tell us what you think about Cosmic Movements. I know you've played with them before. Tell us what you think about them as a sound.
I've played with them in Global Clash several years ago. I don't know exactly when it was, but at the time, King Addies and Cosmic went to Chumpichum, and Addies won the clash. Yeah.
Okay. So was that your only time seeing Cosmic, or have you heard them on audio, seen footage of them?
I've watched several videos about them, like they won in Europe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I checked that video.
Okay, so what do you think of Cosmic as a sound?
Basically, they have a lot of songs, and I think they love reggae music. And I rate Cosmic, but probably they are gonna kill Barrier Free, so I'm gonna protect myself and kill them. That's it. It's my job.
So this Friday is your job to kill Cosmic.
Right, it's gonna be crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay, now you recently played in Jamaica. You're coming from Jamaica as we
Right.
speak. Bass Odyssey Sound Festival.
Right.
Tell us about that. Who you played with in the Sound Festival?
Okay, first about a big up bass Odyssey. They invited Barrier Free to Jamaica, so bass Odyssey, Stone Love, and Heavy Hammer from Italy, and Bodyguard and Barrier Free played on some Sound System Festival in Santa.
Okay.
Yeah, last Saturday.
Okay, and what was that experience like?
Yeah, it was very, very, surprising dance, because there were a lot of crowd in the venue than I expected. Then we play a lot of songs and we got a lot of forward from them, so it was surprising.
Okay, you're being humble right now, because from what I've heard, Barrier Free was the best sound at the Sound Festival in 2015. You got the most forwards.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Japanese, so basically I'm humble, but obviously we took that dance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else can we look forward to? I know you have the clash coming up with Black Hustler in Connecticut. What else can we look forward to for Barrier Free for 2015 and beyond?
Actually, I don't have after Black Hustler clash, but I'm ready anytime. So if promoter book the Barrier Free and the negotiation is well, I can clash anywhere, anytime.
Okay, now with that being said, I know World Clash is coming up. Young Hawk was announced for World Clash, and you defeated Young Hawk 2 times. So
Twice.
hopefully we can see Barrier Free on World Clash this year. Apart from that, is there a place where people could go online, maybe Facebook, SoundCloud, to find music or information on Barrier Free?
If you wanna get information about Barrier Free, you check our website, www.barrierfreepro.jp. You log on this site and you get a lot of information about us. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have audio on that website, or do you have audio on SoundCloud?
Not yet, but I will make our sound audio thing. So
Okay. All right. With that being said, I had a discussion a couple weeks back with Sparks from Cosmic, and he said the Japanese sounds don't really put out audio. Is that true, that you guys protect your audio, or you don't release your audio when you play out?
not really. Not really. It's not true.
Okay, so as a fan of Sound Clash in America, why is it so difficult to get audio from the Japanese sound systems or the Japanese dances or clashes that you guys hold?
Okay, I'm gonna explain. Basically, in Japan, people still buy CD. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Not download thing.
Okay.
So we still sell a lot of CD in Japan.
Okay.
That's why you don't have chance to get a CD, because
Okay.
that CD only selling in Japan.
Okay. 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 I understand.
You
now.
understand what I mean?
Okay. Once again, Brite Lite Promotions, Dr. Barrier Free. This Friday, Tropical Reflection, Cosmic Movements, first one-on-one dance versus Barrier Free, undefeated in one-on-one. Come out, a lot to look forward to. Ladies free all night. Is there anything else you want to let the people know before we sign off?
And big up everybody who loves some class from Hearts. And it's gonna be crazy this Friday, so you must check it out. Respect.
All right, Brite Lite Promotions, C-Rock, Madden, Joe, Dr. Barrier Free. Thanks. Digital Promotions, this Friday, big up.
Big up Angeles. Bless.